Oh, hi guys. I'm just going to plant some fresh basil in the garden, and I've got some chili peppers. So I decided to make this spicy basil chicken. It's incredibly delicious, and you can do this in 15 minutes, so it makes a great midweek meal. You're going to love it, so let me walk you through this. First off, I'm going to add some oil to a pan, and this is over medium-high heat. Add in 3 chicken breasts that I've cut up into kind of bite-sized chunks. I'm just going to fry these until they're nicely done and browned up. Now the chicken is nicely done, I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and a teaspoon of hot chili flakes. And I'm just going to saute these until they're fragrant. Now I should mention how spicy you want it depends on, how much chili flakes you're going to add in, but this is kind of just about medium. Alright, now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of water, and of course my all-time favorite spice, some pepper. And we'll just give this a stir around. I'm going to reduce the heat and we'll let this simmer for about 5 minutes or so. After simmering for about 5 minutes, I'm just going to pull off some fresh basil leaves. And I think I'll do about, 7 or 8 of these. And just kind of tear it up a little bit and add it into the mixture. Oh, this smells so incredibly good. By the way, why do chefs not play baseball? Because they always try to steal basil. Just kind of give this a stir around. You don't want to let it simmer for too long because you don't want the leaves too wilty. Kill the heat, and there you have it, guys, our spicy basil chicken. Serve this absolutely delicious goodness over a bed of hot rice. This looks and smells so good. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. So good, guys. It's spicy, the chicken is tender, the basil, just incredible. You've got to make this. The great thing is you can make this up in about 15 minutes. And head over to cookandshare.com. We got so many chicken recipes over there, so many fried rice recipes. You're going to love them. So thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.